to Gruvgear Guitar. We have a cool song from Melanie Martinez, The Last Two People on Earth. Maybe you and me, perhaps, not sure. But anyway, let's go and check out this song together. First, I want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. Yes, it's new started and it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Here, I just give you the tools to handle the song on your own, chords and all the parts of the song. But on 6 Strings Ago, I play a full song for you from the beginning till the very end. You just follow along, play along with the chords shown, and learn it from A to Z. So a nice kind of change up there to get something different, and also some cool classic songs from back in the days, 6 Strings Ago. That's the reason for the name. Now let's go into the song. We're gonna learn it without any capo and learn the chords to start with. So we're gonna start with D minor first. That goes open D, second G, third B, and first E. Next is A minor, which is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. G next, which is third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We also got the F chord, which is bar chord. You play index finger on the first fret, you push on all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Next up is C. Third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And finally, we got the E. So from E minor, you go to E, you just add on that first fret G string. Everything else stays the same. And voila, you have the last E chord right there. So that is the tools. That's the tools we're gonna use. Now let's go into the strumming. And it's a pretty long one. So yeah, grab the first chord, D minor. We can start there. One round, sounds like this. Okay, so it starts with down, down, clap, down, up. And then it continues with up, down, clap, down, up. So together it's down, down, clap, down, up, down, clap, down, up. If you want, you can replace the clap with a down instead, and then it will sound down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Or up to you, but now let's start the song. So, verse goes D minor, 1 string around, A minor, 1, G, 1, and D minor, 1. Notice it starts and ends on D minor. So you're going to play that chord progression D minor, A minor, G, and D minor for 2 times. Let's do one round together. It goes like this. And then second round right there. Alright, so 2 rounds of that, and then at 31 seconds in starts the pre-chorus, and guess what? You're just going to continue that verse play for another round. Then at 42 seconds in comes the chorus, okay? And the chorus is about 4 rows, so to speak. So the first 2, you're going to play this, F1, C1, and G2. So same, so F, C1, and G2. That's the first 2. Then the third goes F1, C1, and E minor 2. And then the final fourth will be F1, C1, E minor 1, and E1. So there we have it. And that is the first round. Then we have the second round, and it's just repetition. No news there. It just goes in the exact same way as we just learned. After the second chorus comes the bridge part. You're going to play that F1, C1, and G2 for 2 rounds. And that's it. And then you're going to jump back into the final third chorus and play that in the very same way as you just played the previous choruses. And that's it, my friends. That is the last 2 people on earth from Melanie Martinez. Nice song. So, hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play it tuned.